Good morning, everyone. This is the video about the bot that I told you guys that's very, very important. So this is new page for the bot. Now you will have to choose which strategy and bot you want to use. So for example, you have aggressive with assistant. It's only going to take the trades. You have to exit yourself. Aggressive, fully automated, is going to do everything for you. Extreme assistant is only going to take the trade. You have to exit the trade yourself. Okay. We don't have extreme fully automated. I'm going to explain why in a minute. Moderate assistant is pretty much the same strategy we have on aggressive, but it will hold the trade a little bit longer. But anyways, it is assistant. You have to exit yourself. Moderate, fully automated. This one is going to hold the trade longer. It's going to exit the trade. And then you have the Vida Loca assistant, only going to take the trade on the Vida Loca strategy, and the Vida Loca fully automated, which is going to exit the trade on Vida Loca strategy. All right. You're just going to select one of these, generate the token, and start the bot, connect the bot. To install the bot, take a look on this video right here, and you're going to learn how to install the bot. This is about the strategies, all right? Now, let's talk a little bit about the extreme. Extreme, sometimes it's really, really good. Sometimes it's not so good. But when you are trading extreme, you're going to see the signals here on extreme, all right? Uh, it's 100% algorithm, this one. And sometimes when the market's divergent, the algorithm is going to take some information and it's going to take the trade. It doesn't think, it is an algorithm. So if you are trading extreme, first of all, I don't recommend you trade extreme on the bot. You should take the trades by yourself. Okay. So when you take the extreme signals, when you have an extreme signal here, is an indication. You can buy or you can sell. But before taking the extreme, you need to see if VIX and yields are going to the same direction, right? Other thing that you should pay attention is, let me see if I can see this image here. You guys will not be able to see the image that I have here, unfortunately, but let me see if I can open this on the web. Here we go. That was yesterday. Extreme yesterday wasn't so good, but take a look. We had VIX going down, right? And yields going up. It was exactly the opposite. VIX going down, 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 and yields going up. All right. So this is an indication that we have some divergence of the market. Okay. So going back here, if you have an extreme signal, take a look on VIX, take a look on yields. Are they going on the same direction? Awesome. And then take a look here on the bars. Do we have, let's say that the signal was to buy. Do you have a target on the upside? Do you have a target on the upside here on SPX and triple Q? Or we are very close to the line in the sand and we don't even have a target above to take the buy signal, right? So that's something that you have to consider. And also the puts and calls. If you have a buy signal, you should have more calls. If you have a sell signal, you should have more puts. All right. So if you have an extreme signal and the bot took the signal for you, be fast. Take a look on VIX yields, um, on the on puts and calls, and take a look if we have a relevant or an important level towards the direction the bot is trading. Okay, all right. If you have the bot and it took the signal and you see some divergence here, you can just exit the bot. You can just exit, right? So that's why I'm telling you guys, it's better not to trade the extreme. One more thing, important thing that I want to show you guys is the Vida Loca assistant or fully automated, right? This would be kind of a backtest signal of the Vida Loca, all right? Now, for the past few thousands of trades here, we have $373,000, 980, right? So it's a lot of money. And the bot, as you guys can see, have some good days, bad days, good days, bad days, really bad days, amazing days, really bad days, and then it comes back, and then comes back, another bad day, and then an amazing like week, and then again amazing week, bad week, amazing week, bad week, amazing week, good and good, and then we have some bad days, right? So take a look here only on this piece right here. So what I'm trying to say is the bot is good, the strategy works. In a long run, you're gonna make a lot of money, all right? But you will have some good and bad days. Okay, guys. Now, if we take a look only on this piece of tradings here, what are we gonna see? Something like that. We were doing good, and now we are going through a bad phase. All right. So that was the past. Like the Vida Loca actually gives us something about 30 or uh, 40 signals a day, right? So we are going through a bad week, I would say, right? So what does it mean? It means that the we are negative here. It means that the signal doesn't work. It means like the strategy is not good. No, it only means that the market right now, on the past few days, the conditions of the market, it's not very good for this strategy. It's not very good for this bot. So it's gonna be a bad day or a bad week. But in a long run, you know that's gonna be a bad day here, and then we're gonna have another very good days. The size of this drop here is actually lower than this drop, very like not even compared to this one, right? So we're gonna have bad probably weeks here, all right? But you're also going to be able to make back because the strategy in a longer run works. So it's all about patience, it's all about perseverance, it's all about to get any strategy, keep the strategy and keep going. All right. Now, what I have to tell you about the bots, here we go. Aggressive, fully aggressive, and moderate, those are the best strategies because we have some inputs on this one. We have the algorithm, but the analysts on Quantico Cap, they are always working to filter some signals and to manage the exit of those signals. All right. So we have analysts working on those signals right here. Okay. So they are the best one. Extreme, you know, is 100% algorithm. You should be making sure that the markets is in the conditions for you to take the signal. All right. And Vida Loca is gonna be everything, every single signal that we have, we're gonna plot on the indicator. You take the signals if you want it. If you are going to trade Vida Loca, you know that you are going to go through some really bad weeks, but you're also gonna have some amazing days. All right, guys. So this is it. This is how the bot works. It's pretty much like everything in our lives, ups and downs. But since the strategy is good, we're gonna have way more ups than downs. But you have to be perseverant enough to hold the times that you have some down. Okay. All right. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I see you guys on the live trading room. Bye bye.